Want to know how to make any conversation more engaging and memorable? This video will show you how to truly captivate your audience. We all have conversations every day, but how many of them are truly interesting? Let's dive into making your interactions count. You can make a conversation instantly more interesting by getting specific fast. Drop the generic small talk and move to the core of the discussion quickly. Remember these key components for a great start. Always have a goal for the conversation, provide relevant context, and most importantly, include a good question to immediately engage the person you're talking to. So why bother making your conversations more interesting? The benefits extend far beyond just being perceived as a good conversationalist. Learning to make conversations more interesting will help you communicate more effectively and dramatically improve your professional and personal relationships. In turn, this can help you attract new opportunities. This skill is invaluable in a wide range of situations, from casual chats to professional interactions. And if you're in sales, becoming a better communicator will directly help you move more deals forward and attract new opportunities. Before we proceed, let's address a common misconception. Talking more doesn't always make you more interesting. In fact, the opposite is often true. Listening more often does. That's why you need to pay close attention to the other person. Now, let's cover a few key steps to significantly improve your conversational skills, especially when communicating for business or sales. First, always open with the clear reason you're calling. Keep it to one sentence to be efficient and respect the other person's time. Next, ask a question that can't be answered with a simple yes or no. This immediately encourages the other person to share more and makes the conversation deeper and more engaging. The secret to engagement is listening. Listen closely for just one detail they mention, and then immediately ask a follow-up question related to that specific point. This shows you're truly engaged. To maintain rapport over multiple interactions, keep detailed notes and refer to them. This ensures you never ask them to repeat themselves, making every conversation feel personal and respected. If you have conversations for a living, technology is your friend. Use tools like PhoneBurner, where features like dispositions and notes help keep your follow-ups personal and efficient, instead of repetitive and robotic. Mastering the art of interesting conversation is within your reach. It requires intention, active listening, and thoughtful preparation. Here is one final piece of advice. If your second call sounds exactly like your first, you need to fix your notes and refine your first question. Brought to you by PhoneBurner, powering faster calls and more human connections.